Hey guys, this is Ben here again with another wallet video. It's that time again. It's been a few months. So I got a new wallet. This is the wallet I was using, so you can see in my last video. This is the full-size and fold wallet from Craft and Lore in this limited olive run edition, and it's been really nice. It's really functional. Don't mind me sniffling, I'm just a little bit sick today. Probably should not be doing this video, but I got the wallet and I was super excited to do it. So, but this is the wallet I was using. You can see it is gotten some shape. It was, really loose. It was kind of folded in a different direction, but now it's kind of formed to my back pocket. But you can see it's got some scratches and stuff on it. It's probably gotten a little bit darker, and so you really can't see like those black marks that you originally could before in the leather. You kind of can in natural light. But anyways, this has been a fantastic wallet. I really recommend it to anybody who's looking for a really functional wallet that is really comfortable to carry in the back pocket. This is I really liked having this one, but there's no like big dramatic patina. Obviously that's just because it's a darker color. That's just the nature of it. I'm sure if I had it in my pocket for every day for like a year, I'm sure it would, but I'm not that kind of guy. So maybe one day, who knows. But anyway, so that is that. And if you didn't see the other video on this, you can feel free to go check it out. It's just my last video that I uploaded on this. Great little wallet, so you should go check them out. But anyways, this is the wallet I got in today. You can already see this wallet is not as big as the other one, even though it's just in a little bag right now, but I am downsizing. But this wallet, this is from the company Benjamin Bott, and I've really liked their wallets for a little while now. And they do have a little bit bigger style wallets, but I really like this one. I think the thing that really attracted me to these wallets was just the burnishing, the sides, the edges, and stuff like that. But let's just get right into it. So this is the bespoke Double-Wren wallet, card wallet. It's got some wrapping here. I think this is the first one I've done that had this like extra wrapping on it. Wow. Okay, so this, oh man, I freaking love this already. Yeah, so this is the Double-Wren. I love how it has the logo on the inside. It's got the BB logo on both sides, and I wasn't sure if he did it on both sides or if it was only on one side, but I did request it on both sides just because my initials are BB. So instead of having it, monogrammed or whatever, I thought the logo was already perfect. So I got it in this bone Pueblo. I got so you can choose what leathers. So it's because it's two pieces of leather wrapped with the stitching. And for one side I chose bone Pueblo, and this is my first time having like a Pueblo, I think. And you can actually kind of see the furs and stuff, or what have you. It's really nice. I'm gonna get some pictures of this and some natural lighting and upload them to my Instagram if you guys want to check them out. And then I've got this really pretty mint. Let's see if I can get that to focus real quick. It's a mint colored thread. I really like that. I really like the green. But this is the other side. This is a chestnut butero. I really like it. It's really simple. From right here, I feel like it almost has like this. I love the dark brown contrast with like a really light, tan, or like a light brown almost, because this will darken. This the Double-Wren is designed to carry 6 to 8 cards, as well as cash. But it has the 3 pockets. So it's got the front pocket, it's got the middle pocket. Well, I guess whichever side you want to consider the front. But it's got 3 pockets, the middle and one on the back and one on the front. And so it is going to be a little bit different of a carry for me, a little bit of an adjustment. It's always an adjustment going from, a large size wallet to a small minimalist style. But you do this enough times, and eventually you kind of get used to it. So, here is oh man, my video is not going to do it justice. But this edging is Excuse me. This is a rough style video today. The edging is perfect. The burnishing, it just looks like wood to me. It's so smooth and nice. It's not the Rona, guys, I swear. But anyways, that's the Benjamin Bott wallet. I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I will link the information about this wallet, and of course the website in the description below. So, jeez, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day.